How to add PDF file in YouTube description. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device and upload the PDF file in here. Then, click on three dots of the file, which is on the right side. After you click on it, you'll find all these options. Click on Share, then click on Share again. Click on Restricted at the bottom. After that, simply click on Anyone with the link, which is the second option. After that, copy the link by clicking on Copy Link. Then open YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, which is the YouTube account. Then go to YouTube Studio. In here, on the left side, click on Content. In Content, click on the video you want to add description in, which is the pencil-like icon. Then in here, in Description, simply click on Ctrl+V to paste what you've copied earlier. But to make external links clickable, first complete a one-up verification. After you've done that, you will be able to add this file in your YouTube description. This is how to add PDF file in YouTube description. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.